Hi everyone, my name is Elena Manicola, and today I'm going to share with you guys a homework help video. Um, okay, so the homework help video that I have for you guys is rating an equivalent ratio and how to do this. So I want to start off with saying, what is a ratio? So a ratio is a comparison of two or more numbers that indicates their sizes in relation to each other. So as we can see here, I have 1 to 2, that's 50%, and then 3 to 4, that ratio is 75%. So it's basically just like a fraction, so like 1 over 2, and then 3 over 4. And then an example I just have to like get you guys a bigger understanding of this is find a number that makes the ratio equivalent to 3 to 7. So we know that the ratio is x over 63. So we're going to try to figure out the numerator in this case. So we have here 3 to 7. So we have to find out how to go from 7 to 63 to get common denominators. And we know to do this, we have to multiply by 9. So we multiply 9 to both sides. So 3 times 9 and then 7 times 9. So then 3 times 9 is 27. So then 27 over 63 would be equivalent to the ratio of 3 to 7 because we're copying a similar function to both sides. I have another example. So this example is find the number that makes the ratio equivalent to 1 to 2. So like I said before, we have to figure out how we even got the 6 in the numerator in the first place, and then we have to copy that same function over. So for instance, we have 1 in the numerator, which is the first area of the ratio itself. So to go from 1 to 6, we know that we're multiplying by 6. So then we have to copy the function again. So then multiplying 2 times 6 is 12. So then that's why our answer is 12. So 6 to 12 is our answer. Another example is find the number that makes the ratio equivalent to 1 to 4. So 1 to 4 is basically 25%. So we're trying to figure out a ratio with the number 5 that's going to equal out to 25% as well. So we have to figure out how to go from 1 to 5. And to do this, we multiplied by 5. So we have to do the same thing to our 4 in the denominator because we have to copy the same function. So then 4 times 5 is 20. So then 20 would be our answer in this ratio. And then another example I have is find the number that makes the ratio equivalent to 1 to 6. So again, we have to figure out how we go from 1 to 6 down here. So then we multiply the function by 6. So then 6 in the denominator, we multiply that by 6 as well because we copy the function. So then 6 times 6 is 36. So then 36 would be our ratio in this box. So 6 to 36 would be our answer. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a greater understanding of making ratios equivalent. Basically, all you need to figure out is, so we have the 1 here, this is our first term, and then we have a different number here. So basically the whole premise of this is to figure out how we go from one number to the other, and then copy that same function to the denominator, or whichever term that we're trying to find. So we have a 1 here, we have a 6 here. We know that the function is to times this by 6. So then we have to do that to the same term. So then we multiply the 6 to the second term in the ratio, and that's 36. So that's our second term. And we're just copying the same function over. So I hope this makes sense to you guys. And thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.